Yeah, I got it. Well, it's clamped. So moving over to trimming the inside of the big bay door openings, and all of this trim, I chose to go with a white building with black trim, and all of this comes with a protective plastic layer that you want to wait until the absolute end to peel off for this exact reason. So all of this marring will disappear once we pull off that protective coating. Gary's grabbing a measurement. I'm cutting it to the exact length, and then this will just install right over those the framing of the door jambs in order to give it a nice finished look. Okay, I'm going to pin the bottom, then I'll go up and pin the top. And I'm going to squeeze this together. Okay. So now we're going to go around the perimeter and set the base trim. This is the base angle. The base trim is connected to this, and this is going to be the catch point where the sheathing comes down. It's going to rest on this lip, and then this is going to support and give it a good backer. Now what we did is we set a laser in the center of the shop, found the high point, which is right back there, and now Jacob is using the receiver in order to figure out where level is for these nice long joints. He's going to connect this one into the previous joint. We're going to clamp it and then set it with screws. We're going to do this around the entire perimeter.
Slide your way.
On this J trim, you can either go flush or have a little reveal. And I'm going to choose to do about a 1/4 inch reveal. And that just means that these two faces, this is called a reveal right here. And it's just an offset. And we're going to eyeball a 1/4 inch. Let me tear off some plastic, Gary. What we're doing here is making a master. We held up this first sheet on the building, marked off with red Sharpie where the screw locations need to go. Then we took it off the building, brought it over here, stacked up material, made sure they were all flush, and now we're going through and pre-drilling a whole bunch of sheets at the same time. Just want to make sure that you don't tilt your bit. You want to make sure that your sheets are aligned, and you want to make sure that it's clamped. This will not only make the screws look way more uniform, but it will also make it way easier once you get up in the air instead of having to punch through the sheet. So remember that these are directional. I don't have gloves on, so I'm not helping carry, but they are directional. The overlap side is going to be facing this way, and that way each one of the panels is going to go on like this. And then whenever you look down, which that is where the public is most likely going to be, they're not going to see the overlap. It's going to be completely seamless. we just have, take a guess. Oh, do y'all want to play a guessing game? What's your guess, Jake? Don't do math. Stop that. Guess now, off the top of your head.
Oh, no. 20, 80?
No math. Okay, I'm gonna say 57.
Numbers or math?
So yours is what?
80?
80?
No. Yeah, whatever, sure.
Okay, I'm 57. Don't do math. Guess off the top of your head.
100.
Okay. Oh, wow, that's way off.
No. Yeah, it is way off.
Cameron, what's yours?
67.
You did math too.
It's
All you math guys.
longer to-
Yes, exactly. It's
guess,
not fair.
It's 20,
some math.
20
All right.
for long side. 20 for long side. That's all the number on the sheet.
Oh.
Yeah. 20, 20. Yeah, it's be less than 80.
I might win. Without looking and doing math. Yay, brain.